Hello children. Today in this video, I'll continue chapter number 11, Light, Shadow and Reflection. So before starting the next part, let's recap what we have discussed in last videos. So children, as the name of the chapter is showing, light. First of all, we had discussed what is light and how we are able to see the objects in the presence of light. After that, we differentiated the objects on the basis of light, that how much amount of light can pass through the different objects, like transparent object, translucent object, and another type was a opaque object. With examples we had discussed it. Next was shadow. How shadow was formed, what are the requirements for the shadow to form, and does shadow shows the different colors or not. So after discussing all that part, I hope that all part is clear to you. And next, very important is pinhole camera. What is a pinhole camera? So children, first of all, a very interesting thing is this: a camera without a lens, which uses a very small hole which is pierced in one end to allow light to pass through it. And an upside down image is formed on the back of the camera, which can be covered with the photography paper or a film. So these are the very interesting things which about the pinhole camera. You can see in the figure also how the inverted image is formed, that is upside down. Means inverted image is formed by the pinhole camera. uh, at the back side of the this box, we had just put a photographic paper or a film. On that side the image is formed, and light travels through a very small hole. I can show you, this is a very small hole like a pin. We use pin to make it this hole. So light passes through this hole, and that make the image here. Distant objects like a tree or a building, through the pinhole camera we can make the images of the distant objects by using the pinhole camera. So this is the simplest camera possible. It consists of a light proof box. As I have told you already, that this is a box in which only a small hole is there. So this is a light proof box, some sort of film, and a pinhole only. So three things are required: one, a light proof box; other thing is a film or a photography paper; and another is a pinhole only. So pinhole is simply an extremely small hole, like we would make with the tip of a pin. So after the name of the pinhole camera, so means we are making a hole only of the size of a pin in a piece of thick aluminium foil. So it also works on a very simple principle. I just give you one situations. Imagine you are inside a large dark room, and sized box containing a pinhole. Imagine that outside the room is a friend with a flashlight, and he is shining the flashlight at different angles through the pinhole. When you look at the wall opposite the pinhole, that is means the opposite side, at the back of pinhole, like this is, if there is a pinhole, this is the back side of it. If you see here, what will you see? In a small dot created by the flashlight beam shining through that pinhole. So the small dot will move as your friends move with his flashlight. So smaller the pinhole, the smaller and sharper the point of light that the flashlight creates. I think it's clear to you that you are standing in the dark room, and your friend from the outside, he is putting a flashlight over this box. And here on the box there is a pinhole, and the light enters through this pinhole, and it forms a brighter and that image on this part, back side of the camera. We can say it a camera or a box. So children, we can see that how light passes through the pin. Very a small pinhole we had made like a pin. Light passes through this pin and it forms a upside down image. Upside down image, we can say that is a inverted image is formed in this camera, by this camera. Okay, so this is very very interesting. There is no lens, we are using no lens here. Without lens, this camera is working. So children, you can make your own pinhole camera and you can see how it start working. I hope the concept is clear to you. So rest of your queries will be taken in the class. Thank you.